In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix USB keeps disconnecting and reconnecting on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click at the start button, select device manager. Once device manager window is open, you have to simply locate universal serial bus controllers. Now, if you are not sure as to what is your USB device from here, then you need to do this step for all the USB drivers under universal serial bus controllers. Make a right click, select properties. Click on the power management tab. Make sure to uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Right click, properties. If it doesn't have the power management tab, that's okay. Right click, select properties, select power management and check the option. Click on OK. And then you have to locate for the human interface devices. The same thing, look for the USB device, properties, and then power management and check the option. Properties, power management and check this option and click on OK. So if this video is valuable for you, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can produce more videos and tutorials for you. So for the next method is you need to expand the list again for universal serial bus controllers. And here you have to look for the USB device that as to where you are having the trouble with. So once you find that, all you have to do is make a right click, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. After uninstalling the USB driver, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows, okay? Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type edit power plan. Click on it under the best match. Click on change advanced power settings. Then here you have to look for the USB settings. Click on USB selective suspend setting. Make sure for on battery and plugged in, this option is disabled. Okay. And then apply and then okay. And that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.